Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to prepare Pesara Garelu. It's a high protein snack, so let's get started. I'm taking 2 cups green grams. Wash them thoroughly and soak them for at least 4 hours in hot water. Here after 4 hours, I'm adding 2 green chilies, 2 small ginger pieces, soaked green gram and coarsely ground them. Like in the video, if the batter is too soft, then you can add some chickpeas or corn flour to get a thick consistency. Add half a teaspoon salt, some fresh or dry curry leaves and coriander leaves. Mix them well together. Next step is to deep fry them. Turn on the heat to medium and add oil in a pan. Wet your hands, place some batter in your palm, spread it, then slowly release it into the hot oil. For the beginners, I'm going to show you 2 easy and safe methods. Take a ladle. On backside of ladle, place some batter, spread it and then slowly leave it into the oil. Next method, use a round turner. On backside of turner, place some batter, spread it, then slowly release it into the oil. Then add one by one by using the same process. Fry them until they turn brown on both sides. Keep the flame on medium. When it's done, take them out into serving plate. Enjoy your high protein snacks. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.